Watch the full video. You won't regret it.
No.
Ow!
How?
Why did you just kill me, bro? Our own teammate just killed me. Our own teammate just killed me.
But it was most likely an accident. But he said my bad.
That's what you get. That's
let me-
what you get, you trash can.
He said my bad, dumbass.
I don't give a shit. He still killed me.
It was an accident.
Accidents
What did you kill
happen,
him?
dude. And just
He
like
was
What did you kill him?
He was
Accidents
aiming his
happen.
gun at
That's
me
why
and
you're
shot me.
here.
He was
Listen,
aiming his
listen.
gun and shot me. Shut up, bro.
Listen.
Your mom's a fucking MILF.